I love having friends over. In fact, post the pandemic, I think we can all safely say that we just really enjoy hanging out at home. It's great bonding for family and close friends, okay? But, and yes, there is a very big but here. I think with all the falling back on the home scene, we're all getting a little lazy. I think we're all a little guilty of having forgotten how to entertain with that incredible formal flair, okay? So this design date is all about exactly that. It's about adding the glamour back into your house party. Now remember, the keywords here are glamour, formal, elegance, and sophistication. Let's break this down to make it a little less intimidating, okay? Now, when it comes to entertaining at home, a little bit of effort will go a long way in making your guests feel special. But you have to be very careful so that you don't come across like you're trying too hard. The balance here is very important, okay? And that is exactly the reason why I'm here today at Beyond Designs on MG Road in Delhi, because few people do dressy spaces the way Sachin and Neha do. The ambience, I would think, deserves the first mention here. The details will matter and the effort will show. Like I mentioned earlier, I'm not going to plan the menu with you, but I would definitely like to talk about the dinner table, okay? Now, most of us will take the easy way out and go with the buffet setting, but nothing screams formal more than a sit-down dinner.
Formal entertaining at home is an art. Creating the perfect ambience requires attention to detail, from seating arrangements to table settings. Start by creating the flow for your space. Ensure that there is ample seating for all your guests. Arrange your furniture in a way that encourages conversation. Think about creating intimate clusters with your seating. Add side tables within arm's reach of each seating area for convenience. A centerpiece like fresh flowers or a stylish sculpture will definitely enhance the visual appeal of your corners. Ornamentation sets the tone for your evening. Think elegant yet subtle. Use items like ornate mirrors, framed artworks, and decorative vases to add a touch of sophistication. You can dress up your mantels and shelves with curated pieces that are close to your heart. Candles will not only add warmth but also create a romantic, inviting atmosphere. Mix different heights and textures to add depth. Accessorizing your seating areas can make a big impact. Use plush cushions and luxurious throws to add comfort and style. Choose fabrics like silk, velvet, and satin for an opulent feel. Statement rugs will anchor the room and tie all the elements together. Opt for designs that complement your color scheme and add an element of luxury. Now for my favorite part, the dining table. Start with a tablecloth or runner that adds elegance to the entire table. Layer with placemats and chargers for a polished look. Napkin folding is an art. Try an interesting fold like a lotus or a fan to impress your guests. Now for the dinnerware. I love mixing and matching dinnerware, but if you have a favorite dinner set that you'd like to use, that you know will add a definite charm to your table, please go right ahead and use it. When it comes to your glassware, use a variety for different drinks. Water, wine, champagne flutes, all of this should be accounted for. Choose tableware with timeless designs. Mix metallic accents like gold and silver for a touch of glamour.
Remember, elegance is in the details, and with a little bit of careful planning, hosting an evening at home can be a wonderfully rewarding experience that will bring you so much closer to your guests. Now go, make that effort, but don't forget to mingle yourself. Until our next date, happy decorating!